Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby K here. I'm in my back office of hashing Adfeedz. Just want to do a quick walkthrough of the site and everything you need to know to get started and start earning in hashing Adfeedz. You can see here my account balance. I have 101 Asimi. Okay, the way I earn that Asimi is by going up here where it says Start Minting Ads. Matter of fact, as soon as you join, click that button. If you're joining today, tomorrow, I think the free minting is going to disappear. So if you're a free member, you're not going to be able to do it anymore. But once you log in, make sure you press this button and mint your ad for the day. Okay, everything on the site is transacted in Asimi. Okay, the way we earn is by minting Asimi by watching ads. Okay, and by purchasing Asimi stakes. Let me show you what that looks like. One Asimi stake is $100 US. Okay, this is not an investment, guys. Okay, you're not investing. The stake is returned to you over a period of 1 year, 365 days. You can see here the current price of one stake is 52.6 Asimi. Okay, that's for one stake for 365 days. Okay, so that tells me that Asimi, right, is 52 Asimi equals $100. Then what's Asimi? About $1.90, something like that. I'm not a mathematician, but it's right around $1.90, maybe a little less than $2. Okay, it's a little less than $2 right now for one Asimi. Okay, so $100 worth of Asimi will buy you one stake, and that you need the stakes to earn on the site. Okay, let me go back to the dashboard. Now you can also buy advertising on this site, guys. I bought advertising, and let me tell you something. I got some good results, man. You know, this is an active community to advertise to. Okay, you can see here you could buy mint views or banner advertising. I bought banner advertising the other day. And let me show you the active campaign. You can see all the impressions I had here. Right? I got 29 opt-ins on a banner, guys, the other day, because I made these special banners for my team. But 29 opt-ins, man, is pretty good, man. You know, this is a good site to do advertising on. Okay, I showed you the stake. This is where you get your link. Your affiliate link is right here, affiliate resources. Okay, guys, keep in mind now, you know, in my opinion, you want to buy Asimi stakes before you buy advertising. Okay, because you want to be able to earn on the site. That's my opinion, guys. You know, if you have no intention of minting Asimi or, you know, becoming an affiliate, then this is a great place to advertise, though. You know, I got to say that. You know, but I'm here to make some Asimi and you know, make a little money while I'm here. So I'm buying Asimi stakes first, and then I'm buying advertising. Okay. Now let me go back to my dashboard. You see, I have 101 Asimi, so I could buy another stake now. I have 14 already. Okay, I'm gonna lose one tomorrow when they do away with the free one. I still have the free one, so tomorrow I'll have 13 here. But I'll have 101 Asimi. I haven't bought a stake today or yesterday because I'm guessing that the price of Asimi is going to go up tomorrow because people are going to be buying it to buy their first stake. People who don't have enough and stuff like that. You know, so I'm guessing that number is going to go up. It has gone up in the past. I've seen where you could buy a stake for 20-something Asimi. Okay, right now it's 52. You know, if it goes down to 25 Asimi, then I'll be able to buy 4 stakes tomorrow instead of 2. You know, now keep in mind, guys, I've always been better at predicting the past than the future. You know, this is just something that I'm doing, just my little strategy. I'm not recommending it or anything like that. It's tomorrow anyway. And regardless of what happens, whatever the price is tomorrow, once the smoke clears, I'll be buying Asimi stakes. Because I have a goal of getting this to a point where I could buy one like every 2 days or one a day and do a little withdrawing at the same time. Now, when I first joined this, I made a video saying that I had hoped to, my first goal was to get it where I could buy one a week. Okay? We haven't even been staking for a month yet. I think tomorrow might be a month, or maybe a little less. I'm not positive about that, but around a month. Let's call it a month. And I have 14 stakes already, so you can see how I underestimated the power of this thing, man. I have 181 referrals. You can see that down here, the statistics. Okay, you can see what I earned. You earn 10% of everything your referrals stake, and you earn 50% of advertising that they buy. Okay? So this shows you here what I earn, how much is Asimi, 505, 262. So pretty cool, guys. And we're just getting started, man. We're just getting started here, guys. This is one of those things that kind of snowballs. You think it's going slow, and next thing you know, you're doing good with it, man. It just builds little by little. If you got a little dedication, you stick with this in the beginning. And, what I do, I get up in the morning, I make my coffee, I mint my ads. I'm done for the day, And I'm going to show you a couple of things. I'm going to show you a page I made that has the white paper. I'm going to put the link below here. This is an affiliate page I made for my teammates. Okay, you can just change this link, and then you can show this to people, and they can join up under your link right here. And it has the white paper here, guys. Very important to read the white paper, even if I'm not a crypto guy, so I'm not an expert on, Bitcoin and all that stuff. But I read the white paper anyway, because I'm in the business. I'm serious about it, so I want to see what's going on. And it lays out the whole plan of what Luke has in store, and what he has planned. If you press this here, you see this question mark. You're going to see a webinar Luke did explaining his vision for the site. Luke is probably one of the most transparent owners I've ever seen. That's what kind of drew me to this too. Besides my friend Paul showing me this and prodding me to just click that ad every day, I saw Luke is out there front and center, man. So, okay, they also have a Facebook group. I'll put the link below. You got to get in the Facebook group, guys. Listen, my information is below this video. Even my phone number, man. My email's there, my phone number. You can call me. But, I'm just a guy here and here doing it like you are. I'll help you out the best I can. The best thing to do is get into that Facebook group. Guys, this is it here. I'll put the link below. Okay, that's the best, the best way. He's the admin, and Luke is in here. You can see Luke right here. He's always posting in here. He made a video today. I'm going to upload it to my affiliate site, which I'll show you guys in a minute. Let me show you that now, if I can find it. Okay, I built this site to help you build your team and hashing ad space. It's called Pure Passive Income Funnel. See, it has it's like a walkthrough. If you send someone here, it's a walkthrough, explains the whole site to them. Understanding Asimi, minting and staking explained. Okay, it's just another tool, okay, in my belt. If you go here, there's more resources. These are the banners that I made that I used the other day. I said I got 29 opt-ins. It's a simple banner, man. See what it says? Get more hashing ad space referrals, man. They can't help clicking on that, man. What's everybody looking for in hashing ad space, guys? They're looking for referrals, man. Referrals. Like everybody else, man. Oh, I sent them to this page that I made. Oh, let me see where it is. Right here. Very simple page. Okay, a video. Free system helps you get more hashing ad space referrals, and it sends them to Pure Passive Income Funnel. Okay, guys, there's a lot of value in this site, the Pure Passive Income Funnel. Okay, a lot of value here, man. I made a shared campaign. It gives you 3 capture pages, follow-up emails, the banners, pages that you can change your link. Let me show you this training page I made. Okay, see this? It has, they can join right here. You can show anybody this page. They can join here. You can change the link right here. Just put your username, and then the page goes to you when they click this. And this is a total walkthrough of what you have to do when you join Hash and Ad Space, how you earn, and what you have to do. And the video walks you through it also. The video takes you to the live site and does a demonstration also. So it's a pretty valuable page, guys. Okay, I'm giving that away for free too. Let me go back to hashing ad space. Okay, like I said, I got 101 Asimi, guys. There's 80,000 members in here already, guys. Okay, the free minting is disappearing tomorrow. Tomorrow is the launch, but Luke said he's coming out with something else for the free members, but it won't be for 30 days. Okay, but this is a hot site, guys. This is the place to be in 2019. I showed you where to get your affiliate link. That's right here in the affiliate center, affiliate resources. There's your link. And what else? I guess that's about it, guys. Go through the training videos to set up your wallet. You're going to need to set up your Waves wallet, guys. Like I said, I'm not a crypto guy, but I just watched these 6 videos. You know, I paused them, went over and did it, came back, watched the next step, went over and did it. And I got it done, no problem, guys. Believe me, man, if I could do it, you guys could do it, man. It's very easy. But if you need my help, I'm here to help, man. All right? And I guess that's about it for now. This shows you all your transactions. You know, shows you what you're making every day. This is just from minting. I made 10 Asimi today from minting. Yesterday, 14. It varies every day. If you figure it's around 10, 11 a day, I don't know if you average it out. I'm making about 15 a day, 15 Asimi right now, between minting my ads and what my referrals are doing, the 10% I'm getting from them. So, guys, like I said, this is in its infancy. Okay, I'm going to hand this off to my grandkids when I get older. All right, guys? So, you know, get in here and check it out, guys. Like I said, it's free to come in here and check it out, man. You know, get all the information, rip it apart. You won't break anything. No one's going to ask you for anything. You can get in here and go through it, see how it works, and ask me any questions you have. Okay, this is Hashing Ad Space. Again, guys, hit me up on YouTube, you know, like the video, subscribe. I'll be making more videos. And, you know, like any questions, like I said, my email and my phone number are below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks, guys.